While Naver is a search engine by definition, it operates more like a portal with an exploratory search experience and a seamless integration of native properties throughout its search engine results pages, or SERPs.
One of its most important native properties is Naver Blog, which houses a staggering 30 million blog posts and is where highly engaged Korean users flock to for product reviews, lifestyle content, knowledge sharing, and so much more.
Hey folks, Alvin here in Hong Kong, and welcome to APAC in 3, where we take 3 minutes to talk about all things digital in Asia. Today's topic, why you need Naver Blog in your Korea SEO strategy and how to optimize your blog to rank on Naver. While most search engines merge their websites and blog results on their organic search section, Naver makes the distinction clear via its view search section, which usually appears at the very top of its SERP depending on your search terms.
Since Naver's view section tends to rank higher than website results on Naver, leveraging Naver Blog can boost your search visibility and, in turn, brand awareness among users at the beginning of your conversion funnel.
There are two algorithms behind Naver's view section that determine which Naver Blog articles to feature.
Naver's Creator Rank algorithm, or CRank, analyzes the content source's credibility, popularity, and authority rather than the content itself, favoring experienced writers and experts in their niche. Meanwhile, its Deep Intent Analysis Plus algorithm, or DIA+, analyzes user intent by search query to provide relevant and higher quality results. This includes evaluating content quality, user feedback on content, and session duration.
To help your Naver blog rank higher, stay on top of Naver's algorithm updates on its Search and Tech blog. Naver prioritizes content that keeps users on a page longer. But aside from written content, other factors can increase your engagement on Naver blog.
For example, feature images and thumbnails are the first visual elements users see on your SERP results and are vital for attracting clicks to your pages, while maintaining a conversational tone will also improve your content's readability.
The longer you can keep your audience engaged on Naver Blog, the better you'll likely perform on it. So ensure you tailor your content to capture user interest. KOL activity is vibrant on Naver Blog, making it ideal to drive traffic to your site via influencer marketing.
Collaborating with famous bloggers, particularly those in your niche or industry, means you can tap into their audience pool and leverage their existing connections. If you're in B2C, you can get influencers to introduce or review your product or service to their audiences. By providing them with unique UTM-tagged links to your conversion pages, say your sign-up or purchase page, you can then track the traffic performance and conversion rate of your collaboration with each blogger to inform your overall strategy. Ultimately, Naver Blog is an important tool in a marketer's toolbox when it comes to building awareness and engagement in Korea.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. To dig deeper, check out theegg.com/APAC in 3.